Go ahead.
Yes.
Ulka, go ahead.
Good evening, everybody, once again. Thank you so much, President Sanjeev, for giving me this opportunity and a chance to organize this kind of a meeting for our members. Our first speaker today is Rotarian Shankar Satavne sir. He is our own club member, and he will be the Smile Club trainer for us. Next year, in the sense, he'll be the club trainer. He was the president in 12-13, and he's joined Rotary in 2007. So most of us know him very well as a very quiet, ekdam shant Rotarian, but fully knowledgeable and great personality. So when I spoke to him about arranging something like this, he was really eager. And after some 3-4 days, I get a call from him saying, "Ulka, my presentation is ready. तो अभी हमें कब करना है ये?" So that was the enthusiasm which I got from him. That was very nice. Thank you, sir. So we can have start with our first speaker, Rotarian Shankar Satavne sir, and he will be introducing what is Rotary, and because we have a lot of new members in our club. Last 2-3 years, I mean, we have a few members joining who are not much aware of what is Rotary. And at present, the things are really changing in the Rotary world from the offline to the online part. And because of that, so many changes coming up. So the older Rotarians also get a little idea of how the things are changing over. That's why this training program. Over to you, Shankar sir. Khanolkar Kaka, allow him to share his screen.
Good evening, Ulka.
Good evening.
Good evening to all Rotarians. President Sanjeev, the President-elect Ulka, and Secretary Ramakan, and our three distinguished district designated persons, Dr. Rajendra Wankhede and Abhijit Pandit, and I think Satish Bhojne, District Secretary, is yet to join. Good evening to you, all of you.
Good evening.
Today, I am going to talk about the Rotary from the since its inception, how it evolved. Because in these 115 years or 116 years, the Rotary has undergone a sea change, and how it has evolved. That is what I am going to talk to through my slides. So, can I share my slides?
Yeah. Yes, you can.
Thank you. This is a Rotary basic information available to all the Rotarians. The content is taken from the basic is a Rotary site, that is www.rotary.org. The first Rotary International emblem, ever since in 1911, the Rotarians felt that there is a need of Rotary emblem, and different clubs were using different emblems, like a Rotary wheel with the name of their clubs and other accessories attached to the Rotary wheel. But in 1929, this Rotary emblem was designed by the Rotarian George from Rotary Club of Chicago, and it has got 6 outwardly going spokes and 24 teeth cut on it, and this was all adopted by the Rotary Board in 1924. Subsequently, some Rotarians have again modified it so that this rotary wheel cannot, this is an engineering marvel and it cannot drive a load. So to connect to the load, they have made a rotary the keyway to this, and this emblem was adopted since 1929. What we are, the Rotary, we are the international service organizations, the service to the humanity, and we consist of a people with a diverse background who have got the commitment and passion to enhance the community and improve their lives. The picture shows that it is one of the photograph from the convention where people from different countries show their flag and they are together share their exchange ideas. So Rotary is truly a international service organizations with members with a diverse with diversity. The Rotary motto is service above self. In 1989, the College of Legislation have adopted this service above self as a principal motto because it really conveys the meaning of unselfish service, which is what is the Rotary wanted to do. What are our missions? I will read out the mission statement, which is very important to note by all of us. Together we see a world where people unite and take action to create a lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. Not just communities, but in ourselves also. And it is the people who has to unite together and do all this uphill task of fulfill the dreams of the Rotary International. This is a Rotary vision. Then we have got Rotary objects of the Rotary. The objects of the Rotary is to encourage and foster ideal of service. How it is done is the development of friendship is the first and primary motto of the Rotary International, because without friendship we do not see the opportunity for service, because service needs many hands and many people. The second is the Rotary. All Rotarians has to follow the ethical standards, and these ethically behaved Rotarians are termed as an opportunity for the service. And these high ethical standards, which has to be applied in the Rotarians' personal, business, and community life. So, ethical behavior is the most important for the Rotarians. And with this, what is our the objective is to advancement of understanding, goodwill, and peace through the fellowship, because fellowship was the primary motto of the Rotary. The service came later. What are our core values? Our core values are fellowship with trust, fellowship with people from our community as well as across the globe, as well as from different countries, from different clubs. So fellowship is a must. Then whatever we do for the organization, we should have integrity. We have to do our work. We have to be very loyal to this organization. So integrity is one of the key quality for the Rotarians. Diversity of profession, diversity of gender, diversity of ethnicity. It is the beauty of our Rotary. So the diversity I will be explaining later in the further slides also. diversity is the beauty of the Rotary. Service. Yes, we are here for the service to the humanity, not in just in your community, but across the world. And through all these things, we have to develop leaders in the club, the leaders who can take the Rotary forward. And the responsibility of our club is to develop leaders who can work beyond the club level. So leadership is the quality which is required for all the Rotarians, because Rotarians every year the leaders change. So we need most people or most Rotarians to develop their leadership skills. These are our core values, and the core values comes out of our the theme. Rotary themes comes out of our core values. Here is the diversity. Each club should reflect the diversity of the community by including members from a mix of professions, genders, ethnicities, age also. There are in a club you see the young Rotarians, the older Rotarians, and people have different background. Because this diversity gives the broader perspective or understanding of the need of the community and their problems, so that we can well address the needs of the community. Here we see every year Rotary International President, he declares in his theme during the International Assembly, and these themes are derived from the our basic core values: building communities and bridging continents. Yes, now Rotary is in all the continents. Sow the seeds of love. That is, peace, love is the aim of the Rotary. Rotary connects the world. Yes, Rotary has connected the world because through Rotary or this we are able to connect to the Rotarians from different clubs in different countries, and that's how we really connect with the whole world. Rotary making a difference. Rotary projects are really making a difference in the life of a community. There is another theme: peace through service. The peace, when you do the service, you be in touch with the Rotarians from different regions, and that's how a peace is established. Look beyond yourself. Yes, this is what is the Rotary is teaching you. Yes, everybody is doing work for themselves, but Rotary says that you look beyond yourself. Unless your environment, your neighbor, and your friends and your relatives, they are happy, you cannot be a happy man. And then before that, this is the Rotary opens the opportunities. This is the theme of the this particular year 21-22, given by the Rotary International President Holger Knack. And next year, the Rotary theme will be served to change the lives. And this is declared by Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta. So you will see that every Rotary International President, he gives the theme, and the programs throughout the year is based on the particular theme. The Shekhar Mehta has already given the various, on the basis of this theme, he has given various programs to be conducted throughout the coming year. Now let us briefly go to the Rotary beginning. Rotary is established in 1905, precisely on 23rd February 1905. The four gentlemen, Paul Harris, Sylvester Schill, Hiran Shore, and Gus Lower, these four gentlemen met in the downtown Chicago in this Unity building on the 7th floor, the office of a Gus Loher, the mining engineer. And that was the beginning of the Rotary. Subsequently, this particular Rotary Club, the first president was Sylvester Shield, and Paul Harris was the third president of this particular club. The name Rotary is established as the meeting place rotated from the offices of founders each week. These four gentlemen were meeting every week, and their meeting place was being rotated. That's why the name given is Rotary, and it continued till now. In 1908, the first club established in 1905, the second club established in San Francisco in 1908, and subsequently by 1910 there were 16 Rotary clubs in the United States, and they have formed a National Association of Rotary Clubs. Then now we call this particular association as a Rotary International, and afterwards Rotary has expanded to few more countries, and in 1925 the Rotary has gone to all the 6 continents. The few more milestones I will take you very fast because they are important for you to understand. Although the book gives the milestone many more, but I have taken only important milestones to be shared with you. In 1910, this Rotary Club, they have held their first convention in Chicago, and there were about 16 Rotary clubs. In 1912, the first club outside USA was established. That was in Canada. So Rotary has really came out from Chicago, from USA. In 1917, a Rotary Foundation program, that is the endowment fund, was started, and this is called a the Rotary Foundation. I have got a separate slide because it is an important subject, so I will be speaking more on this Rotary Foundation, its importance, and what it does, and what is its result. In 1920, Rotary came to India. A marine engineer working in a steel company in Calcutta, he visited the Rotary in USA. He was very much impressed with this. On his return, he has done the activity for the starting of the club. And the first club was established in India in 1920. Subsequently, the clubs have started in Dhanbad, Ranchi, in Madras, Mumbai, and many other places. The 4-way test, the guide for the Rotarian the 4-way test is considered to be the guide, ethical guide for the personal to be adopted in the professional and personal life. I have got a slide on it also. I will be sharing the same. In 1962, in Florida, an Interact Club, that is the young one in the age of 13 to 18, who are members of the Interact Club. It was first Interact Club was formed. In 1978, large convention, that is the Rotarians close to 40,000, they have registered for this convention to be held in was held in Tokyo. the Rotary's flagship program in 1985, Rotary announces Polio Plus program to immunize the children all over the world. And this is a very big program and a lot of work Rotary has done through this. I have got a slide to discuss on this, which which will follow. The women, initially the women were not allowed to be a member of the Rotary Club. So a movement has started since 1950 that why women will not be a member of the Rotary Club. And the subject has gone through many deliberations and discussions at the Rotary International level in their conventions and many other forums. And ultimately, College of Legislation has deleted the word male from this Rotary's constitution, and officially 1989 women were invited to be a member of the Rotary Club all over the world. We have also Peace Center because peace building is one of the main subject or motto of the Rotary. So in order to train our people from our community, we have built a Rotary peace centers and studies for training them so that they will go to their country or community for the peace and conflict resolution. Yet another milestone is that in 2004, Rotarians from 113 countries have attended the Rotary Convention. Close to about 46,000 Rotarians have attended this program, which was held in Osaka. This is how Rotary has started growing. I already talked to you about the Rotary's flagship program, which the Rotary has announced in 1985. The Bill Gates Foundation has joined to meet this challenge jointly in 2008. In 2011, India entered into the polio-free world with no cases reported then. In 2012, but it was not the end of the story. There were polio cases in the underdeveloped countries, in African countries also. To meet this particular challenge, the Rotary and the Bill Gates Foundation together contributed $800 million for this Rotary eradication program. And Rotarians have contributed $200 million, which was matched in the ratio of 1:4 by the Bill Gates Foundation. In 2014, there was no reported cases of polio in India. And as I already told you that Rotary Foundation program was established in 1917. So in 2016, the Rotary Foundation has celebrated its centennial year. What are its achievements that I will be discussing in the slides to follow. Then we move on to Rotary structure, how the Rotary structure. Basically, Rotary is in three parts: the clubs, the Rotary Foundation, and the Rotary International. There are three different entities. In US, the TRF, the financial transaction of the Rotary Foundation and the Rotary International is a tax-free as per the US law. So structurally, at the base of the pyramid, we see that we are the members. They are the base of the Rotary International. Today, we have about 1.2 million Rotarians across the world, and there are about 35,165 clubs as per the latest data given in the Rotary News, edition May 2021. For administrative purpose, it was then divided into 535 districts world over, and further they are grouped into 34 groups, and each director controls or oversee two zones together. So there are 17 directors, and all this is governed by the Rotary International. Now we see here our district is 3141 and 42. Initially, this particular district this was a complete district 3040, but for the administrative purpose, because it was very difficult to handle this over 200 clubs together by a single district governor. So it was bifurcated to two. We are part of this district 3142, and we come in for the zone 4A. The small background of the current Rotary International president, Holger Nack. He is from the Rotary Club of Nuremberg in Germany. Presently, he is a CEO of a NAC, a real estate company, NAC KG. Probably this is the family business, which is about 125-year-old. He was initially a general manager and a partner, and now he has taken over as a CEO of this company. His social accomplishments are the founder member of the Civic Forum of the city, served as a president of the Gold Club, and NAC is also a chairperson of the Carl Adam Foundation, which is a social organization. You will see more information about the Rotary International president on the site, but I just wanted to highlight the people and in brief. We have a future leader, Shekhar Mehta, who will be taking over the Rotary presidency at international level in the coming July. He is from the Rotary Club of Calcutta Mahanagar, and by profession he is an accountant and is a chairman of this Skyline Group, a real estate development company, which he has founded. He is also a director of operations of the Eyesight Universal India, a Canadian-based company who is involved in making a homes, that is the temporary homes, in the event of any emergency, in the calamities, the people who need to be given the immediate relief. So this particular company is a specialist in that. During this tsunamis in the South India, this company, under the leadership of Shekhar Mehta, has constructed 600 such homes for the people affected in the Tamil Nadu. His social achievements are this pioneered a program of his for more than 1,500 life-changing heart surgeries in the heart surgeries alone. He is also an architect of a program, TEACH, that is the teachers' participation in e-learning, adult education, child development, and happy school programs, which he promotes literacy through, and he reached thousands of schools for the literacy. During his tenure, I have seen last year, he has made many efforts to meet the government of India and to improve the literacy rate. I will be speaking to that even on the subsequent slides. So this is the background of our future leader. Then what Rotary India has contributed so far for the Rotary International. Jagdish Chandra Lahiri. He was the first Indian to be a Rotary International President. He is from Rotary Club of Calcutta. In 1962 and 63, he was the Rotary International President. Afterwards, Rajendra Sabu, from Rotary Club of Chandigarh, he has taken over as a Rotary leader, the Rotary International President in 1991-92. We all know in recent times, Kalyan Banerjee, the Rotary Club member from our neighboring district, that is Rotary Club of Vapi. He was the Rotary International President 2011 and 12. Beside this, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee is a head of the person who will be who is doing the work on RILM, that is Rotary India Literacy Mission. He has already formed his particular dedicated team for improving the literacy in India. And then we see Shekhar Mehta, who will be taking over as a Rotary International President. Besides this top level contribution for the Rotary International, we have Rotarian Ghulam Vahanwati from the Rotary Club of Mumbai Downtown as a trustee for TRF, a very prestigious position. This controls the TRF contribution and its distribution. So he has say in that. Then we have Dr. Bharat Pandya from Rotary Club of Borivali and a general and laparoscopic surgeon as a Rotary International Director. We have another director from India, Kamal Sanghvi. He is from Rotary Club of Dhanbad. And a very well-known personality from Dombivli and PDG, Dr. Ullas Kolladkar. He was a Rotary coordinator for zonal coordinator for the Rotary International. Friends, these are not the only people who have contributed for Rotary International. There are many more, but for the understanding or for the initial part, I thought that I will introduce only the important people, not that others are not important. Then we move on to district leaders. Who is the district leader? District governor serves as an important role in Rotarians. We belong to District 3142 and he is a very important key person who is responsible for the district. And he is nominated by the clubs in their district for their Rotary, for their skills, Rotary experience, dedicated, and how he has worked on the earlier occasion for the Rotary. What is his contribution to the Rotary? The nomination is done. It's an election. If there is more than one nominee, then there are elections, and the Rotary Club members, they vote to the candidates on the basis of what is the strength of their club membership strength, and that the value changes. District governor leads the team of assistant governors and district committees to support and strengthen clubs and motivate them for the service projects. So when the district has got many more committees, assistant governors, the assistant governor is a link between the club and the district governor. The assistant governor visits the different clubs assigned to them and oversee the work progress, also help them in their difficulties. So this will report to the district governor. Then there is a official club visit. Governor visits each and every club in the district during the year to see how the club has developed, what are the projects, what is their progress in new clubs sponsoring, membership development, and district governor is also responsible for organizing the district conference and other special events. Even district projects are planned by him, and it is being executed through district dignitaries or through the clubs. So these are the job of a district governor, and he is also very important role. He plays very important role in district development. I think I am going. Is it okay for everybody? Because are there any questions in between? I thought that I will go for first, and then if there are any discussion, we will have at the end. Is it okay for all of you?
Sir, I think we can have a question and session end of the program, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I will go ahead. This year, Dr. Sandeep Kadam is our district governor. He is a consultant newborn and he is a pediatrician by profession, working in Thane from last 30 years. And under his leadership, we see that during this pandemic year, many more lively programs have been organized and being conducted. Today itself, we had a third TRF seminar at 5 o'clock, and there are many speakers, and he is also a very dynamic leader. It was not possible to conduct the programs in person, but he has done more than 400 such programs on virtual. We have an incoming leader, Dr. Mayuresh Warke. He is an orthopedic surgeon from Rotary Club of Ambernath, and his theme is a smile, going miles to spread smiles. Like Rotary International theme, the district also has got its own theme, that is a smile. So this is a smile year. The Dr. Kadam's is a joy of serving humanity. That was his district theme. Now we go to the important part, that Rotary Club is the most important part of this Rotary. Rotary Club is a member of the Rotary International. Not the individual member is not the member of the Rotary International, but our club is the member of the Rotary International, and by like this we become the Rotary International. Indirectly we become a member. The responsibility how to club to run. Club has to conduct meetings, regular meetings, where their member gather and socialize and discuss their current projects, other projects, and professional topics. The meetings could be for inviting the eminent people or speakers from outside who are expert in their field, and that lectures and the speakers should be beneficial to all the Rotarians. They should enjoy, they should add to their knowledge. So such club meetings are to be regularly conducted by the club. Rotary clubs are encouraged to create an inclusive environment. The Rotary Club has membership of younger members, then we have middle-aged members as well as the elderly members. So the club has to create an environment so that all members should become part of the projects, part of the discussion, and they should take part in the meeting. They can express what they want to do. So such an inclusive environment the club has to create. Meetings can be formal, and it can be a speaker meeting. It could be a open forum for discussion, or some activities, or during the meeting we appreciate the Rotarians for their work in their profession if they have excelled. We also appreciate the some good work done by the Rotary Club family members also in the academics, in the art, drama. So not only club but Rotary International and district also appreciate the Rotarians by way of when they excelled in their particular activities. But more important is the your participation in the club meeting and activities. That will be the overall experience you will have as a member. If you do not participate, then you cannot enjoy the Rotary. So, if you want to enjoy the Rotary, you have to participate in your clubs, meetings, programs, activities, take initiative, ask for responsibility, take some responsibility, uh, and suggest some programs which is a need of your community. The Rotary clubs, although autonomous, it has got its own bylaws, and and they work in a different, sometimes in a different way. So both two clubs cannot do this, will not be similar. Some clubs have got their own priorities, their own vision, legacy programs, the projects, because they are attached to the community from years together. So they have different programs, different approaches, but although they are autonomous, but everything goes under the guidelines of the Rotary International. This is what how I feel the Rotary Club should work. It is an ethical guide for all Rotarians. The four-way test. This was developed by the Rotarian president of the Rotary Club of Chicago, Robert Taylor. Robert Taylor was an entrepreneur and he has accepted, it was not meant, Rotary has followed it or accepted it little later. It was developed for a Sikh company which he has taken over. It was a cookware company in the USA and it was in raids. He accepted the challenge to put it right. The first thing he did is that he developed this four-way test for to motivate his entire employees of his company from production to marketing, and it has to build the confidence of all the employees. And after 2 years, he saw that this particular approach has given the good results, and this was then adopted by the Rotary during the convention in 1954 and 55. It says that is it the truth when you listen and understand? First, evaluate whether is it truth. When you take some decision, see that it is fair to all concerned. It should be fair to all concerned. Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Because Rotary is for building goodwill and friendship across the world, and will it be beneficial to all the concerned? So whenever all decisions are taken, it is being measured on this ethical standard, and then it is taken. So this was just a small story about the four-way test. You see this four-way test on the clubs. Some clubs they recite this during the meeting or after the meeting as a practice of conducting as a practice in all the meetings. Then we have service avenues. We have 5 service avenues. Club service. Most important is the club service. This focuses on making clubs strong through fellowships. Because unless there is a fellowship, the people will not attend the meetings, and if they do not attend the meetings, there will not be exchange of ideas, and the club cannot become a vibrant and strong club. Because to do all the service and all the other activities, club has to be very strong. Membership should be more. The member should be very knowledgeable, and they should be able to spend time on these Rotary activities. Our second avenue is the vocational service. In club service, in order to have better bonding, in club service we conduct joint activities, projects, committees are formed. Many people are taken on their committees. They are they are being heard, and they are being asked to, if it is okay, they are being asked to go ahead. Then we conduct family programs so that not the Rotarian blood, but their family members also should get involved. So that is how we make the club service as strong. Vocational service, we all Rotarians, they are from different location, and vocational service is that one vocation one can give there, one can share his experience to another Rotarians, not only Rotarians but from members from the society. They also, who have excelled in their vocation, they are also invited to be heard, to listen to them, and share their expertise from their from their vocation. In this particular service, we, during the vocational month, we approach the people who are different vocations, and we identify their contribution to the society, their excellence in their particular field. We invite them and we award them with the Vocational Service Award. This year, last month, we have conducted this Vocational Service Award. Persons from education field, the art, and the other fields, we have recognized four people from the community with the vocational awards. Then community service. Community service is most important because our motto is to reach to the community. During this, we conduct many programs like medical checkup camps, medical talks on subject of interest, then literacy, and whatever the community needs. Projects like water and sanitation, the projects like pond or the check dams, which is a need of the community, that comes under the community service. Then we have international service, which is for global reach, for promotion of peace and understanding. Whenever Rotarian visit the other, they go on a business or a personal trip to other countries, they try to contact them beforehand and go and meet them, attend to their meetings. They exchange our ideas or programs, flag exchange is done, and also explore the possibility of a joint project to be done, because this also there is opportunity of these clubs funding the some project required in your particular area. So this is how is the international service. Then the youth, Rotary recognizes the empowerment of the youths and professionals through the leadership development programs. Many such development programs are conducted during the youth service program, which is a month of May for the youths. That is the youth wing, that is Rotaract clubs or Rotaract clubs. Then we have, Rotary has identified 7 focus of areas. First is the basic education and literacy, which is very important. As I already mentioned, that Rotary India Literacy Mission is headed by PRIP Kalyan Banerjee, and it aims to improve the literacy rate in India from current 77% to 95% by 2025. And much work has already been done in this particular area. Then we have got another focus area is maternal and child health. For child health, the programs like midday meals were conducted. Midday meals were conducted or supported by the Rotary to many schools in the rural areas. Also provide the medical help and assistance to the expectant mothers. Peace and conflict resolutions. The Rotary International every year gives 130 peace fellowship program fellowships fully funded, and it is being conducted at the 6 peace centers all over the world. I will speak more on this particular subject also. Then water and sanitation. The villages do not have the water source nearby. They have to bring water from quite a far distance from well or from the river. So locally, these check dams or these ponds are being built by the Rotarians. This work is going on from many years. Our next focus area is support to the environment. Environment every year, the tree plantation programs, the beautification of gardens, the beautification of gardens, and on the square, it is being adopted by some companies. They beautify it, and such programs which will support the environment. They are being conducted. Then community and economic development. In the rural areas, the only uh, economic develop is the whatever they produce at home, they have to be they have to sell, and then they earn the money, and this is how the rural economy goes. The Rotary program gives the micro funding to the eligible women in the villages, to empower them that they do these particular activities, and also help them to get the market to their particular products in the cities. So this is how we work on the community and economic development. Disease prevention and treatment is also a focus area. You know that Rotary's flagship program, disease prevention, that is Polio Plus, is the biggest worldwide immunization program conducted by the Rotary. The details of which I will be sharing in subsequent slides. The focus areas, I have whatever the 7 focus areas I have already discussed with you, but the recent COVID, as you know, friends, the first time such a difficult situation we are going through from last 1 year. What is the contribution of Rotary India for COVID? The high-level meeting conducted between the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, and the Rotary leaders. So far, Rotary has contributed over 200 crores of rupees for this disease control and prevention by way of sanitizers, PPE kits. Some people have started vaccination with the government aid, oxygen cylinders, and many more the medical equipments required for this. The lot of help has also come from England, the Rotary clubs from England and other countries also. So in this difficult time, Rotary has been seen as a real and genuine partner for the country. The Dr. Harshavardhan has really appreciated the Rotary's work during this difficult time. Then we go to Rotary calendar. Uh, Rotary has got a designated months. The July, the leadership from club to Rotary International level changes. So July is called a new leadership month. Then we have August, we designate as a membership and new club development because the priority is to have the more and more members, more and more hands for the Rotary. Then September is a basic education and literacy. October is economic development. November is the Rotary Foundation month. So I will speak more on this Rotary Foundation in the subsequent slide. December is the disease prevention and treatment. January is the vocational service month, during which we conduct many seminars on different vocations and we recognize people from the community. February is peace building and conflict prevention. Water and sanitation, maternal and child health, youth service. May is the youth service month and June is the Rotary Fellowship month. Although this calendar is there, but all clubs are free to do their particular projects, not necessarily to be done in this particular month. But Rotary International has recognized these months, and we are expected to follow the particular projects in this particular month. But it is not necessary on the part of a club to do these projects in this particular month only. We have partners. Rotract. Rotract is a group of people affiliated, is a partner of the Rotary. The people from the age of 18 to 30, that is the youth, they become the members of the Rotract club. Then we have Interact organization. The students from the age of 13 to 18, they become part of the Interact clubs. The purpose is that at very young age, students should inculcate the value of service to the community. So there are about 5 Interact clubs associated with our club, and there is one Rotract club associated with us. Then we have Rotary Community Corps. This is a group of non-Rotarians, but their common cause is the good to the society. So Rotary clubs, Rotary Community Corps attached to the club helps them to do this service project in their localities. So in a way they become our partners. Then we have 2 more affiliates, the Inner Wheel Club, the women wing of the women wing. We have got the common goal of doing good to this community, and they work hand to hand with the Rotary clubs. So we have Inner Wheel Club, and we have also senior citizens, their groups. Senior citizens are the wealth, they have wealth of knowledge and experience, and they become our guide. And so as they are being senior, they also need our help, medical help or even otherwise. So we have these partners and affiliates. What we are known is for the Rotary programs. First is the Rotary Youth Exchange programs. In these particular programs, youths from one district can visit to youths in different district. They will be hosted there by families over there. They can go on a short-term cultural exchange programs or study programs, which can run from 1 to 2 years, and vice versa is true. The people last year we had about 2 students from Brazil. They are hosted by the Rotary Club of WD East, uh, and such youth exchange programs are continuing. The experience of the youth after this youth exchange program, they are totally transformed. They feel that they have their attitude looking at the uh, things have changed. They have developed themselves, their different skills, oratory skills, the, the leadership skills, and they are really being benefited. So this Rotary Youth Exchange Program is really a very beneficial program for the Rotary youths. We have another program for youths is Rotary Youth Leadership Awards. For this, we conduct adventure camps, the talks on oratory skills, interview techniques, and many more professional subjects are being discussed with them, and group activities, so that they should develop a leadership qualities. The third most important program is the Rotary Peace Fellowship Program. Rotary International every year gives 130 Peace Fellowship, a fully funded program which was conducted at the Rotary Peace Centers. And I want to share an information that in 2011 and 12, our club has sponsored ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police Indrajit Karle, for the short-term Rotary Peace Fellowship Program. He has undergone this training for 3 months at Peace Center in Bangkok. And these leaders who have already trained as a peace fellows, they work for UN, they work for the military, they work for the other organizations. Their important role is to create peace and peace in the world and the better understanding. The End Polio program, as I told you that in 1985, Rotary has announced End Polio programs, and Bill Gates Foundation has joined us in 2007. So far, the Rotary has spent about 12,000 crores of rupees, that is $1.6 billion, on this polio eradication program, and over 2 billion children have been benefited. And the work has not stopped. Whenever there are cases of polio, the Rotary is further ready to help to eradicate this program. This was the biggest world over program conducted by the Rotary as a non-government organization. So this is the accomplishment of the Rotary. Then we have vocational training teams. The district has got a vocational training teams where the experts in the medical field, in the education, and all other fields, they form a group, and whenever there is a need in the different districts, somewhere like other countries like Uganda and Kenya and other places, they go and visit. They train the trainers. They train the training personnel in that particular countries for say if they are doing the medical field as an operation, or some training, or some literacy, or any other thing. So such vocational training teams, this is also one of the important Rotary program. Rotary Leadership Institute. This institute aims to bring out the or train the future and the current leaders. And many such programs are conducted and being by the highly educated faculty, and they conduct the classroom trainings, the interaction, sharing of the success stories, and how they have developed this thing. Although this is not a Rotary International official programs, but in the world there are about 300 districts which they are conducting this particular program for the leadership development. Another important program is the Rotary Foundation. See, this Rotary Foundation was the Rotary International President R. Plum. He has established this Rotary Foundation as an endowment fund in 1917 with a small value of $26.5. This was the money which was excess after the convention was held, and this RI president said that why not we go for a endowment fund. So it was started in 1917 by the sixth president R. Plum. How it works, our contribution towards the TRF are transformed into the life-changing sustainable projects. The projects like supporting the education, alleviation of poverty, microfinancing, and humanitarian projects. These are all come under these projects which are funded through the Rotary Foundation. And friends, you know that in over 100 years of time, with the meager starting of $26.5, the Rotary spending on this particular through Rotary Foundation is over $4, that is 30,000 rupees. So far, Rotary Foundation has spent on these life-changing, sustainable projects throughout the world. So this is a big achievement. Means every Rotarian should look at this Rotary Foundation, that their contribution really meets the need of somebody in the world, throughout the world. So that's why Rotary Foundation is a separate part. It is being headed by the chair, which is presently past in Rotary International President K.R. Ravindran. He is the chair of this, and there are many trustees. Our Indian fellow, our Indian Rotarian, Gulam Mahanwati, is a trustee chair. So that is the importance of Rotary Foundation. We have charity partners. As I already told you, Bill and Melinda Gates have joined us in 2007 for the program of the Rotary Literacy, Rotary Polio Plus, and so far about $2 billion the Bill and Melinda Gates has contributed for this program. Which is about 12,000 crores by a single foundation. We have another charity partner. Here we see in the picture the past Rotary International President K.R. Ravindran felicitating Rajeshri Birla, the chairperson of the Aditya Birla Group of Companies. She has cumulatively donated $11 million, that is about 8,000 crores, for this Rotary's work, contribution towards peace, Rotary humanitarian projects. This is apart from the work she is doing through her company's CSR project, which was 400 villages she has adopted in different parts of the India. So it is the donation through the donation of these big people, not just big people, but from all of us, which makes the Rotary Foundation stronger. Just we have another charity partner. Today, he had a talk. He was a chief guest for the third TRF seminar conducted by the district. That is Dokazu Ravi Shankar. He is from Bangalore, and basically by profession, he is in the business of reality. He has decided to donate 100 crores to the Rotary Foundation for its cause. And basically, he is from the poor background. He has come up in his life in a hard way, but in spite of this, he has seen the hardship of the people and ultimately decided to donate to the Rotary Foundation because people have faith in the Rotary Foundation and the projects they are doing throughout the world. Dear friend, these are the only three. There are many more charity partners, which, because of the time, I don't want to discuss over there. But most important thing is that it is the contribution from each and every Rotarian, whatever small it may be, but it is a contribution which transforms into the life-changing, sustainable projects throughout the world, and it has really our dream. It will feel our dream that we have to make a lasting change in our communities. News and publications. We have different magazines. Rotary News, this magazine, is published from Chennai, published by the Rotary News Trust. It covers all the programs and events and projects done by the Rotarians in our district, and you will see all the information. Similarly, there are magazines Rotarians publish from different countries, different languages. Then we have the governor's monthly letter as a publication, that is the district news, and all the district events and appreciation of the good work done by the Rotary people time to time. This has been documented and brought to the for the people, the Rotarians. There are about 30 official publications in different languages. So then there are Facebook, Twitter, all information is available. So this is a Rotary news and publications. The Rotary International has got 8 international offices located at different places. The top one this is a Rotary International headquarters at One Rotary Center in Chicago, where we see that the flags of all the 220 member countries is being displayed, and all the important decisions of the Rotary International is taken in this Rotary headquarters. Then we have offices. This is the North American office in Chicago, which is a Rotary headquarters. Huh?
Don't discuss about the offices. Just tell these are the offices and move ahead.
Yeah. So
Thank
they are the different, 8 different international offices. Why join Rotary? Because Rotary provides friendship, camaraderie, that is the friendship, fellowship with the trust, and also the fun for not only to the Rotarians but to their families. It brings a positive community impact because you are doing the community service project. Since you are connected with the global fraternity, you have a global influence, professional networking, leadership training. Many leadership training programs are conducted, and it is also a personal growth and recognition. And at the end, dear friends, this last over 1 year, we are passing through very difficult phase. Many families have lost their dear ones, and this is the time we need the support of our own friends, families, to see that we pass through this and we see a better future. So this is all possible. This is all possible with the friendship uh, and the support from the our Rotarian colleagues. दोस्तों मैं बस 2 लाइन अपने रोटरी के दोस्तों के लिए कहना चाहूँगा। दिल में ना हो जुर्रत तो मोहब्बत नहीं मिलती। जुर्रत मतलब इनिशिएटिव, लगन। खैरात में इतनी बड़ी रोटरी के दोस्तों की दौलत नहीं मिलती। रोटरी के दोस्तों की इतनी बड़ी दौलत नहीं मिलती। Really, our friends are our biggest asset that everybody knows, and I have personally experienced this in my difficult times. It is the Rotarians who came to my help, and these 2 lines were from this Urdu शायर, मशहूर शायर निदा फजल. And this is what I want to discuss and inform about the Rotary basics to you all, my friends. If you have any suggestions, I'm open to that. Maybe in a different forums in the past or in the future, we'll do this. I plan to bring out such sessions regularly on different topics of interest shown by the members. Thank you very much. Over to Ulka.
Wow, Kaka, that was very deep knowledge. Did you realize you've been speaking for more than an hour now?
Oh, I'm sorry. I've taken
You
more
were,
time.
yes, that's true. I mean, you were told me you would be taking only 15-20 minutes and you didn't even realize you were so informative. Thank you so much. It was a very informative session.
I'm very sorry if I have disturbed your program.
No, it's okay now. I could not stop you in between that way. I am not going ahead with any question answer session now because I believe we need to give him rest also because he's been talking continuously for so long. And in case any question answers, we all have his number. He's a part of our group also. Just call him up and please clear your doubts.
Come out of screen share, President Santo.
सर काका तुम्ही ते जे वर दिसेल तुम्हाला स्क्रीन शेअरिंगचं ग्रीन मध्ये दिसतंय ते तिकडनं बंद करा. शंकर काका
Stop screen sharing it. Stop screen sharing.
Host can also do that.
एक minute.
Okay.
yes. We have a second speaker, Rotarian Satish Bhojine sir. He's a member of Rotary Club of Bhiwandi Central. He's joined Rotary in 2006 and he was the president in 2009-10. And he is going to be the district secretary designate next year as a Smile District Secretary 21-22. I am not speaking much. Over to you, sir.
For inviting me. I was watching this presentation. Let me compliment Sadhoni. Brilliant presentation. I think it's his son. I think he has made this presentation. my God, I've very impressed the content and the depth of the presentation information. Yeah, it was lengthy, but I think so good, so comprehensive information. So he has almost covered everything. Information given by him or us, it's one and the same thing. So he has covered a lot of things. Now, Ulka, tell me what is the time management, because it's late. So let's reduce our talks. How much time should I talk? 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
Ulka,
Yes. Satish sir has.
Sorry, I
Hello.
lost you. Can you repeat? Yeah.
So 10 to 15 minutes
ठीक है.
max.
I will just cover. Yeah. I will just cover, the service avenues for the next year, service 21. What are the projects club can take up? Remember, service in the year 21 will be service to one, service to all. And as a club, the district wants you to plan at least a few projects in Murbad area. It will be our focus area, an area which is very close geographically, and an area which is much need. People there need a lot of things. So our idea is to focus on Murbad area, make an impact. Imagine many clubs taking up projects in Murbad area, and suddenly in the Murbad area there will be a significant change. So if there is a significant change in lifestyle of the people, if the villages in the Murpad area are able to get better infrastructure, better water, better schools, better medical facilities, Rotary can get a very good PR. So more visibility, more impact. So that is the idea for Chalo Murbad. All the projects which we'll be doing in the service 21 will be aligned with the Rotary's area of focus. As Sathone ji shared, there are 7 areas of focus. First is literacy. In literacy, we have teach. Very simple to remember. In literacy, which is one of the part of the Rotary India Literacy Mission, we can have teachers training. T for teachers training, teacher support. E is for e-learning software in the schools, much needed nowadays, especially in the pandemic. Schools have to depend on online education. A is for adult literacy. Literacy adult for means it is related to functional literacy. If we can teach adults the basic for functional literacy, like filling the form, reading basic information, doing the basic mathematics, perhaps their lives will change. Adult literacy, child development is another part where we are ensuring a child who is not going to school for some reasons does go to school. If a child is not able to afford education, we can sponsor the child. And basically every child should get education. That is the idea of child development. So no child should be left from education for any reasons. And happy schools is a concept where we take the ownership of a school and we try to facelift that school in terms of infrastructure, or make it beautiful, make it a place where the children would love to go to school, enjoy, have a good time. So maybe we can do some interior, some wall painting, maybe provide them with comics, books, such a way that the education becomes fun for the children. So this is a part of Rotary India Literacy Mission. There are also funds available from Rotary India Literacy Mission. If you go on the website of Rotary India Literacy Mission, there is a website and all the details are available. For example, in a happy school, you can have a library for the children's school. So library, you can get a lot of books, some amount also you can get. And it's a very, executionable project, very easy project. Just collect the books from students studying in the cities. They have lots of books. They can donate the books, collect those books, and form a library in the needy area where the children don't get the books to read. So that will be a part of Teach, Happy Schools, and Literacy. Among the youth, already we have discussed that there are youth programs, but due to pandemic, the youth exchange is on hold. So there will be no youth exchange this year as of now. but there may be some inter-district exchange in the coming days when the situation improves. But yeah, we can have a RILA, we can have online, offline. Till the pandemic continues, maybe till it is not safe, we can plan a Zoom RILA, which in this current year we have successfully done and executed a lot of RILA. I have myself guided more than 15-20 RILAs in the current year. Just yesterday we had a RILA on Zoom. And after the situation improves, then of course you can have a RILA, physical RILA, where people can actually come out and attend a RILA. Very effective program. Another area where definitely clubs should take up projects is water and sanitation. Sanitation is about having drinking water, clean drinking water, toilets, and hygiene. So in particularly in schools or public areas, if we can provide such facilities and improve such facilities, in water and sanitation work can be done. In water and sanitation, then we can focus on water, 3 R's of water, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Another important area where rainwater harvesting can be taken up in societies around you, and district will support you because already there are so many people, working in this. So reduce, reuse, and recycle, creating awareness and having different projects for this. Rejuvenation of water bodies is another very useful project in the coming days. Rivers and water bodies which are not in good condition can be changed. Another big project requires funds. So rejuvenation of water bodies, identify any water body around you in your city which is important for the people and it is not in good condition. Imagine Rotary, playing a role and changing a water body. In health, we will be working in prevention. I will not go into details, but there will be 2 verticals where one vertical will be focusing on the prevention aspect of health. Whatever we do for the prevention of any disease will be preventive. Awareness and thalassemia, polio, tuberculosis, vaccination, positive health, and something called curative. In curative, we can sponsor dialysis, we can sponsor surgeries, hospital upgradation, blood bank, skin bank, maternal care, pediatric heart surgeries. Again, we have donors for pediatric heart surgeries. Let me tell you, sponsors are already in place. If you have any child for pediatric surgery, the child will be taken care of, no charges at all. Your club has to bear no expense. Okay. Disaster management, another vertical where the clubs can take up prevention, awareness, and in situation of disaster, maybe some response where we can go for shelter kits. So every club can have a shelter kit, and that shelter kit can reach the families in the time of need, emergency. The disaster management team is working on this, and soon you will get information about the Rotary shelter kit, how it will be executed, how every zone in our district will have a place where there will be shelter kits. So each club can sponsor a few shelter kits. The shelter kits will be located at one central place. And whenever there is a disaster or any need, all the shelter kits will be logistically arranged to reach the place in urgent need. Environment is the last where you can continue with tree plantation, e-waste management. In e-waste management, another solid waste management and e-waste management, we are in talks with the companies and there will be a MOU signed with the district. So there is a third-party company which will readily agree to collect all the waste from the cities. The club has to just, ensure that the residential areas, houses, people, societies are ready to take part. They just have to give their waste, and it will be collected by the agency. And the agency, in fact, will pay us, and that money can be used for projects. So all those details will come to you. Renewable energy, particularly solar energy, we need to focus on how we can depend less on the conventional sources of energy and move towards more renewable energy. Economic and community development, we are focusing on Choti Si Asha, empowering the girl child, do something for the girls and empower them. For the differently abled, then for de-addiction, which is a continuous project for our district, and mental health is another area we are adding this year, focusing on people's mental health, people with depression, people facing issues related to emotions, how they can get counseling, how they can get help on time. And Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan is about welfare of farmers and armed forces. A lot of areas where we can think of the community and economic development, farmers and soldiers. There will be a very particularly new thing this year, that will be Rotary's Day of Service. Please mark this, how the clubs have to follow Rotary's Day of Service. Any one event during the year, remember, which you plan with 2 or more clubs in your zone or district, and carry out the activity either with Rotary clubs or Rotary clubs together, but it should be planned in advance and it should be in area of focus, and you have to carry that activity, and then you have to promote that activity on media with a hashtag Rotary's Day of Service, and wherever you can attract a group of participants, more than 20% who are non-Rotary members. So reaching out to people who are non-Rotary. Our project should be visible to the people in general. So do the activity, plan such activities which will be known as Rotary's Days of Service. One particularly, any date you can choose. No specific days are given. There are clubs to decide when they will do such activities. And such activities will be, there are criteria. This is the criteria. You have to select and then promote the photos and, on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook using this hashtag, Rotary Days and People of Action. This will be the hashtag. So wherever you have any activity on Rotary Days of Service, use this hashtag, promote it. That's it from me. Ulka, I just, briefed in short time because I think it's very late. Yeah. Any queries?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, if anybody needs to ask anything. Yeah, I guess no questions as of now. If any questions come to me, I will come to you, sir, for it.
Yeah.
And I know
Thank
you're
you.
completely reachable for that purpose. So thank you so much. This was really a very good insight about the programs, what we need to do and how we need to do. I hope it helps my club Rotarians also for the same. Thank you so much.
Hello, Ulka, 1 minute. Ulka Manor here.
Yes, sir.
I just want to ask one question. This about this e-learning. We have already have some other party ready, or how is it?
As far as Rotary India Literacy Mission is concerned, they do have some software already from them for various states. There are 6 states in India, and 6 states they have the curriculum and software ready, so we can connect you there.
Okay, so that is connected with our Maharashtra syllabus, all subjects.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Today our third speaker is Rotarian Dr. Rajendra Wankhede, sir. He is from Rotary Club of Kalyan Riverside. He was the president in 2017-18, and he is going to be the SMILE assistant governor for us next year. And by profession, he is a practicing orthopedic surgeon. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Ulka. Thank you for inviting me. Really, this was great, and you have arranged for such a nice meeting. My senior Rotarians are there from your club. Shankarji Satone has presented nicely. Satish has presented, shown his all skills. Now, Satish has told you the areas of focus. He has told you areas of focus, but from where the finances will come for that. how do we conduct the finances. Now, till this time, you might have started setting your goals of the projects. Is it?
Yes.
So this time, now time has come to collect the money. You have to plan all the projects beforehand. While planning the project, you must have the how much are the expenses, from where you are going to get all those. Do you have a trust of your club, no?
Yes, we do have a trust.
Yeah. Now then there are three ways how to plan it, how to get all the finances, how to utilize it, and how the projects can be succeeded. Basically, the finances comes from club members, donations, and there are few projects where you can have a free projects like e-waste. There you need not to have any funding for that. You can get the funding from 3-4 sources, like from club members, some donations, CSR. The CSR is from the companies. Then from the global grants, you can ask the person who is very much expert in the global grants, like Satish is also an expert in global grants. Then from the trust. But beforehand, you must plan all this. So while doing any project, you must see what is the budget for it, how much are the expenses, what is the manpower, what is the participation, what are the hours required for it, and what is the beneficiary. Is that project is worth doing? You must put all that project to the board after preparing all this and get it approved from the board, then go it for the finances. Now, the budget part is totally different from getting the finances and spending it. You should have a budgeted, audited budget from the previous team. You might have started in that direction. And you should also know how to create a budget, what are the member fees, where it is going to be expended, like area dues, district dues, and magazine dues, and all those. And what are your expenses? You might have, till this time, you might have formed your budget. So all the other, who is the treasurer from your club?
This year it is Rotarian Deshpande, and next year it is Manor Seth.
So you must be getting some help from the accountant.
He's a CA. Yeah, he's a CA.
So there is no problem for your club to get that.
Yes.
I hope this is in short, I could explain about the finances. In details, we can go ahead with some meetings, virtual meetings. Then we can tell. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Any questions?
I think सगळं काही करू शकतो. मराठीमध्ये एक म्हण आहे, सगळं काही करू शकतो पण सगळी सोंग करता येतात पण पैशाचं सोंग करता येत नाही. तर मला असं वाटतं याच्यावर काही क्वेश्चन्स नसावेत त्या दृष्टिकोनातून.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, I come directly to our fourth speaker today. He is Rotarian Abhijit Pandit. He is a member of Rotary Club of Dombivli City. He was the president in 2015-16, and he is going to be the Smile assistant trainer for us. That's next year, 21-22. Welcome, sir. Please do share some information with us.
Yes, thank you, Club President Sanjeev, Club Secretary Dr. Ramakant, the President-elect Ulka, and Secretary-elect Dr. Girish for inviting me in today's meeting. My dear fellow Rotarians, I have been appointed as. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
I thought. Okay, so I have been appointed as assistant trainer for your club under the leadership of District Governor, Governor-elect Dr. Mayuresh Warke. I will act as a mediator between district training team and your club for various training sessions, which will be conducted in Smile Tenure. Your club is 56-year-old club, and in your club, there are many respected and knowledgeable Rotarians like past President Om Prakash Dhoot sir, Dr. Ghanshyam Shirali, President Sanjeev Tambe. He's there since I think Interact, Rotaract, and then he is now peer Rotarian. PP Shankarji, who have been now taken responsibility of club trainer during Ulka's tenure. Further, many past presidents have been served in District 3140 and 3142. Shankarji, District Secretary elect Satish Ji, and Assistant Governor elect Dr. Rajendra Wankhede has already conveyed many topics like basic of Rotary, club finance and budget, etc. I think by this time, new members who have joined recently in this club might have got brief idea about Rotary. But still, we are going to cover many topics in coming year, as the Rotary knowledge is vast and it is getting upgraded in the regular intervals. To start with, district training team will focus on two programs, that is DOP, Director Orientation Program, and DOUD, that is a district at your doorstep. I request all directors in this club and also new members to attend this seminar in full quorum. District training is ready with all the necessary presentations on Rotary topics with upgraded version. Date of mention program will be conveyed very shortly. Further to add this, P. Ulka has attended prepared SPETS district training assembly, and she is now fully charged and ready to take the responsibility as club president. Now, Ulka has requested me to talk on the checklist while executing any community project. I mean to say pre-preparation, during the projects and post the project. So I will summarize only in 4 lines. According to me, before executing any community project, we should follow 4-way test of Rotary. And that, I think that will cover pre, post, during, whatever you required, everything. Is it truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? And the most part, will it be beneficial to all concerned? The thing is that need of project, is it really required for a community? Is it sustainable to execute the project? Are we going to get support from local people, local authority? For example, recently we have completed one project with your club only, Domboli City and Domboli. We have converted one Anganewadi into a smart Anganewadi. So उसमें हम लोगों ने क्या किया था कि we have actually identified one school. We have visited the school. We checked whether it is really required for that. Then we found they have allocated one room, but which is very small. So that village offered a Samaj Mandir, and we got a official permission from Jilla Parishad. Yes, Rotary can use that Samaj Mandir. So this way, how we have taken the permission from the local people, local authority. Now, one example is that our club, we got one project to build a compound wall for a particular school. We have collected money also. That at the time of execution, we came to know the land on which we wanted to put the compound wall, it not belongs to that school. तो लाइक अगर उन्होंने कंपाउंड वॉल बना दिया, कल बुलडोजर ने लाके उसको तोड़ दिया, तो रोटरी का नाम कितना खराब होगा. तो दैट आल्सो वी नीड टू चेक. रिकरिंग कॉस्ट आफ्टर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोजेक्ट. कोई हमने सस्टेनेबल प्रोजेक्ट किया, बोरवेल हम लोगों ने मारा है या फिर कुछ सोलार का हम लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट किया है, तो उसके बाद हम लोग ने तो प्रोजेक्ट इंप्लीमेंट करके दे दिया. उसके बाद रिकरिंग कॉस्ट, आर द विलेज इज गोइंग टू टेक दैट कॉस्ट, या फिर हमको आने वाले पर्टिकुलर साल में उसको सपोर्ट करना है. दैट आल्सो वी नीड टू चेक. अदरवाइज हम लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट कर दिया, काम खत्म, आदमी खत्म, उसके बाद उस प्रोजेक्ट को किसी ने देखा नहीं. ट्री प्लांटेशन, हम लोगों ने ट्री तो बना दिया, ट्री तो लगा दिया. 1000 प्रोजेक्ट में बोल देते हम लोग ने भाई 1 लाख पेड़ हम लोगों ने लगा दिए, लेकिन 1 लाख पेड़ लगाने के बाद उसको बाद में देखने के लिए कोई गया है क्या? So that we also need to cross check. After doing all this, we have to do the survey, check for the fund possibility. अभी वानखेडे साहब ने क्लियर कर बोल दिया कि सगळ्याचं सोंग आणता येतं पण पैशाचं सोंग आणता येत नाही. So we have to be dependent on district grant, global grant, possibility of raising fund at club level. Now I will suggest one simple modus operandi. Actually आम्ही एक छोटासा प्रोजेक्ट केलेला, एका शाळेला बेंचेस पाहिजे होते. So we made an appeal की एका शाळेमध्ये की आम्हाला एका बेंचची कॉस्ट हार्डली 1700 रुपये येते. So we made an appeal to the community that how much benches you can support, how much bench you can sponsor. So that way we could manage to get. Now thing is that to sponsor one bench of 1,700 rupees. Now we cannot ask for 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakhs rupees. So we asked the community, अरे यार आम्हाला एका बेंचचं फक्त तुम्ही फायनान्स करा, 2 बेंचचं फायनान्स करा. अशा प्रकारे बघता आमच्याकडे 4-5 लाख तर असेच जमा झाले. And we could manage to donate benches in 2-3-4 schools. It is like that. After executing the project, monitor the progress in the regular intervals, periodic visits, provide them support, and finally make a proper PR. Now thing is that Sanjeev जर आता मीटिंग मध्ये असेल, संजीवने सांगितलं असेल की our team, they have executed one project in Zugrewadi only. Sanjeev was the part of that project actually. आणि झालं असं की केलं आम्ही आणि नाव झालं दुसऱ्यांचं. द थिंग इज दॅट की आम्ही आमच्या वेळेस प्रेसिडेंट राजन होते. राजनने आम्ही त्या शाळा पूर्ण गावामध्ये बोरवेल दिली. परंतु आमच्याकडून चूक हे झाली की आम्ही तिकडे एक प्लाक लावायचं विसरून गेलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर कुठून तरी एक रोटरी क्लब ऑफ वर्डीवाले आले, त्यांनी तो प्रोजेक्ट हायजॅक केला आणि आम्ही ही आता स्कूल अडॉप्ट केलेली आहे. आम्ही हे वी हॅव अडॉप्टेड दिस विलेज. इट इज लाईक दॅट. आणि जिथे आम्ही बोरवेल बांधलेली तिकडेच त्या लोकांनी एक रेन हार्वेस्टिंगचा प्रोजेक्ट केला. त्या रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग साठी सुद्धा ज्यावेळेस त्या शाळेची वादळामध्ये पत्रे उडालेले, आम्ही त्या शाळेला पत्रे दिले, त्याला त्यांचं जे पाण्याची जी व्यवस्था होती ती प्रॉपर करून दिली. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ वर्डीने येऊन तिकडे फक्त रेन हार्वेस्टिंगचा एक काहीतरी चेंबर्स बनवले आणि तिकडे एक प्लाक लावून दिला की बाबा हे बोरवेल आणि हे जे काय आहे, म्हणजे बोरवेल लिहिलं नाही परंतु रेन हार्वेस्टिंगचा प्रोजेक्ट त्या लोकांनी इकडे प्लाक लावला. पण इट वॉज लाईक दॅट की बाबा बोरवेल पण रोटरी क्लब ऑफ वर्डीने केलेली आहे आणि रेन हार्वेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट सुद्धा वर्डीने केलेला आहे. सो यू हॅव टू मेक अ प्रॉपर PR. अदरवाइज थिंग इज दॅट की काही लोक, आपण रोटेरियन्स पब्लिसिटीला घाबरतो, आपल्याला मानसन्मान काही नको हवा असतो. बट थिंग इज दॅट की जोपर्यंत आपण प्रमोट करणार नाही, आपण PR करणार नाही, रोटरीचं नाव पुढे होणार नाही. तो मी फार संक्षिप्त सारांश मध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे. अप टू उल्का to proceed further. Thank you very much, and thanks Sanjeev who brought this thing in our notice. Actually we have done a proper survey along with President Sanjeev, and he brought to our notice की हे असं झालेलं आहे, तुम्ही करा. मग ज्यावेळेस आम्ही टॉयज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन स्मार्ट अंगणवाडी आम्ही ज्यावेळेस केली त्यावेळेस मग आम्ही बोरवेलच्या इकडे आमच्या क्लबचा प्लाग जाऊन तिकडे आम्ही माउंट केला. थँक्स अ लॉट. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
See, this is what Rotary teaches us, helping each other and getting the best for the community. Yeah. Thank you very much to all the speakers, and sorry for all the delay. But I think Shankar sir had taken all the pains and so I could not stop him in between. And I'm really sorry for you speakers who had to really cut short on the time. But I mean, the pain what he had taken, I could not stop him. I didn't have the courage to stop him. It was really informative. I just hope all my new members who have joined in, it was really informative for you all. I understand it will, I mean, you will not, grasp everything in one day, but gradually you will start knowing what Rotary is. I hope this is the beginning for you, and there is no stop to it further for that. Thank you very much, Shankar sir. Vatsal, who has designed such a lovely presentation. Satish sir, Dr. Wankhede sir, and Abhijit sir, for all your valuable time and efforts you all took to come to our club and give this lovely presentation. And it has really charged, of course, all the DTAs and the pre-pets, the pets, and everything has really charged me. But even today, it was one more thing added. I mean, there won't be any looking back. We'll try our best to make sure that our club does really good, and we know that we have your support always with us. Thank you so much. Over to you, Sanjeev, now.
Thank you, Ulka. Such a nice presentation prepared. I just want to add in this part. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I just want to add here that since first I thought there is a 20 minutes presentation from each side, and after looking out this Saturnis's presentation, now we are going to make that thing possible that they covered almost 9 sections. So I can say 9 section presentation is there. So there we are going to make that presentation in a different so upload we are going to do on a YouTube channel undoubtedly, but that presentation, so because there is a third meeting and there is so we are going to give the same presentation in a part wise. So I think Ulka, you please take a lead along with the Khanolkar sir if possible. So there is a small section, make a small section because there is a history, current history related programs, four-way test. So there are different sectors altogether, and I think Attorney sir, I thanks. It is a really different vertical because generally we call it as intellectual property presentation. So now district is called as, even it is a Rotary knowledge, we call it as intellectual property presentation. So now Saturday sir, this is our pride that you are from our club. So for at least for our club members, we can make that presentation in a such a way that it should be useful for longer way. Thank you for making that the presentation bigger one and more systematic. Not only that, we are going to upload on YouTube channel, so it will be useful for everyone. Thank you everyone for be part of this program, and thank you Ulka for organizing this program. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.